Greetings to all learners. My name is Vipul Sharma and I'm a faculty of English at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today I'll be teaching you the use of the article the, which is a subtopic from the reference book of grade 7. From this audio file, you will be able to know the complete use of the. So now I'm going to begin my topic. We all know that the is a definite article. We use the to point out to a particular person or thing. For example, this is the house I was talking about. The people who live here are nice. In the first sentence, the house refers to a specific house, the one I was talking about. It's not a common house. Similarly, while we say the people, we mean particular people who live in that house. There are some important uses of the article the. The first we have to refer to a particular or specific person or thing. For example, I have lost the pen that you gave me. Here we are talking about a particular pen. Next we have put the money in your pocket. Next use is to refer to a person or a thing that is well known to us. For example, let's go to the park. That means a park where we often go to. The doctor will come soon means a particular doctor who was supposed to come. Number third we use the when we refer to a noun which becomes specific as it is mentioned in a sentence the second time. For example, my sister gave us some chocolates. The chocolates were tasty. You can see here the chocolates were mentioned before. Same example we have, I bought a computer yesterday. The computer came with a set of speakers. Next use we use the with means of transport while they are definite or specific, but not in a general sense. For example, take the 9 o'clock bus. The plane took off on time. Here, we are talking about a particular bus which comes at 9 o'clock. And similarly, the case with the plane. Next use is we use the with the names of countries in the plural, with groups of islands, with mountain ranges, and with regions. For example, the United Arab Emirates, the British Isles, the Eastern Ghats, the Terai region, the Middle East, etc. With the names of oceans, seas, and rivers, also we use the. For example, the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Krishna, and the Kaveri. Next we use the with family names when they are used in the plural. For example, the Sharmas who live next door visited us yesterday. Number 2, the Naidus are having a party on Diwali. So, these are the few uses of the article the. So just take care the use of the and while you are using it in your daily use and daily conversation, use it correctly. Listen the audio twice and refer the book for a better knowledge. All of you, thank you again, once again, for listening me so patiently, and just take care of you and your elders. Bless you all.